Alright everybody, it's the One Man Drywall Army, and I'm back today, and in today's video I'm going to be replacing the mud tube on the Mudrunner. This one here is leaking material out to the side when I'm pumping it up, so it's got cracks. It's got a crack, you know, one on this end and one on the other end over here. So according to Tapetech, it seems like a pretty easy, easy fix. So let me show you the one that I got that's going to be replacing this one. It's way cleaner. As you can tell, it's brand new. And the straps that you see right here, they sell this with the straps already on it. But the problem with that is they want $350 for it, and they want $140 for just the plastic. So I decided to just reuse the straps on this one. Now, one thing that you want to keep really close attention to when putting these straps on is don't over tighten it, because if you over tighten it, you're just gonna be, more prone to cracking. And then once you have a crack, that tube is basically done. You're gonna have to get another one. So another thing is that if you drop this thing, because there's a lot of plastic on it, the first thing that's probably going to go is going to be the tube. So if you got a leaky tube like I got one, you probably want to replace this. And if it turns out that it's not the tube, then it's that seal right there, that inside the piston. Okay, so I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to try to put it back together, and then let's see how it goes. It's the first time I'm doing it, and I'll give you my review on how it goes. But anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, so look, I got the straps off. These two little things right here cost $200. It's hard to believe, but that's why I just reuse these. You don't need to. So I have a small little difference I'm kind of concerned about. Just looking at these two tubes. This tube right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's cracked. Let me show you in the red light. You see that? It's right there. And then it's cracked on this side too. This tube is recessed for the strap. This tube isn't. So honestly, there's screws on the inside that I guess they were. That's recessed where the screw goes into. So that's where I'm thinking I might have a problem. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna put the straps back on. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'll let you guys know what went on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we all been waiting for. Got the tube replaced, straps on, and let's see if this thing pressures up, okay? No going back from here.